Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Fivetran account. Follow these steps to enable 2FA effectively. Step 1. Log into your Fivetran account. Start by logging into your Fivetran account using your username and password. Ensure that you have access to your account before proceeding to the next steps. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is typically found in the Profile menu or under your account name in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security Settings section. Click on this option to access the two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Set up your authentication method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as an authenticator app or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this setup, which may include scanning a QR code or entering a verification code sent to your phone. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Fivetran account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and accessible.